So, the first thing that we are going to talk about is considering Amazon as a get-rich-quick scheme, where you almost don't have to do anything and the money will just go straight to your pocket. We don't think that this is a correct approach. This approach gives you the wrong feeling that you will get super fast results with a minimum effort, and if you are not getting these results immediately, you start to feel disappointed and demotivated. Yes, all of us want to find the get-rich-quick scheme, but in fact you need to understand that in any business you need to invest something. It can be your time, money or energy. Moreover, you need to realize that everything that you are doing is a process. It takes some time, and the essential skills that help you to move in any area of your life are focus and discipline. Just ask yourself, if you will spend 3 hours a day by doing the same thing during the 3 years, it is 3,285 hours. And I'm pretty sure that it's enough time to become an expert in almost any area. Thus, we have pretty simple formula. Insufficient preparation. Many mistakes happen due to this factor. That works in this way. You know that you need to do something important. Let's take a common mistake that new sellers often do. You have to register a seller account. Instead of spending some time on the preparation of all necessary documents and doing some research, you do everything without proper preparation. You're registering an account, Amazon will write you an email that you need to provide some additional documents. You're writing to them that you already fill everything and you don't understand why they want something additional from you. Or you just provide them with the documents that are not in good shape that is required. Amazon bots cannot recognize the documents correctly. You're getting your account frozen for a few days, weeks or even months. This wouldn't happen if you would have prepared for the registration properly and figure out how to talk with the seller support. Laziness is the killer of progress. It prevents people from success, and it's completely true. Create a plan on how many hours a day you are willing to spend on creating your business. So follow the plan. Every day you need to do at least a small step that gets you closer to your success. You need to do it constantly, every single day. Selection of low quality product. A wrong product is also one of the factors that can endanger the existence of your business. It is merely a logical chain. Let's say you decide to sell low quality products. Poor quality entails negative reviews, and it turns of course in many returns. It ruins your reputation as a good seller and also the reputation of Amazon as a trading platform. That can have very sad consequences for you, since the Amazon is very keen to preserve its reputation. Rush. Often sellers in rush can make a massive numbers of mistakes. Rush leads to inattention and not always to the right decisions. Lack of analysis. Amazon is a huge international market, and to be successful you need to carefully analyze the competition, market trends, customers and products. A proper analysis will give you the ideas, and your decisions always have to be based on something. You never know what you can discover during the analysis. Maybe somewhere in reviews you will find that thing that is missing on the market, or you will get an idea of product innovation. During the competition analysis you can find a particular weakness of your competitor that will help you to grow your sales rapidly. Business is dynamic, and thus you have to be flexible. The goal of this course is to help you to minimize mistakes. We give you specific step-by-step instructions on how to build your Amazon business. By purchasing this course, you also buy our experience and our knowledge that we have been collecting for a long time. Thank you for joining our course. Be sure a lot of exciting information is waiting for you. So, see you in the next section.